Welcome once again to today's class. Now we have a question on the board, and this one is in mathematics. This is the code. This WAEC question. This is the year 2021, and then is a theory question. And so we have it to be this: that Mr. Sato borrowed $25,000 from a Flask Financial Services at 21% simple interest per annum for 3 years. If he was able to pay back the loan in 2 years at equal yearly installments, how much did he pay each year? So this is a question from simple interest, and the first approach to this question is to write your solution as usual. And then we pick the parameters given to us. So from here we see the principal. The principal means the exact amount that was borrowed. So the amount that was borrowed, we have it to be $25,000, and then the rate tells us we have 21% simple interest per annum. So this is the rate. The rate is 21%, and the time is equal to 3 years. So we have time to be 3 years. And so we have this, but then we know that simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time all over 100. So this will give us, the principal is $25,000 times the rate is 21% times time is 3 years all over 100. So 2 zeros can take care of 2 zeros, and then we'll have 250 times 21 times 3. So this will give us a value. If you put down the value here, so this will give us $15750. Remember that this is simple interest. So simple interest means how much will he pay in addition to the amount borrowed, because this is a loan. And so after taking the loan, he will not pay the exact amount he borrowed. He will pay an interest together with the loan, and for 3 years this is the amount that will be paid together with the $25,000. So this is simple interest for 3 years. But the question says he was able to pay back the loan in 2 years at equal yearly interval. So the total amount he was to pay, total amount to be paid, total amount to be repaid by him will be equal to principal plus interest. This will give us 25,000 plus 15750, which will give us a value. This will give us $40,750. So this is the amount he was supposed to pay back in 3 years, and then it means that for each year he was supposed to pay this divided by 3. He will pay a fraction, and then the second year he will pay another fraction, the third year he will pay another fraction to give us this amount. But he was able to pay back in 2 years at equal yearly installments. So for 2 years payment, he paid yearly. We'll have $40,750 divided by 2, because instead of paying it in 3 years, he paid it in 2 years. So this will give us 20,000. The dollars will be here. $20,375. So that's the answer. So this is the amount he paid back in 2 years at equal yearly installments. It means that he paid this amount the first year, and the second year he paid this same amount, which amounted to this. So that's the answer to the question. I hope you're following.